What's up, guys? Caleb here from Srkcycles.com, and you're looking at a 2009 Kawasaki Ninja 650. Guys, this bike's awesome. It runs great. This is a bike definitely for someone looking to get into sport bikes. This bike, disclaimer, is not perfect whatsoever, but it is a great first or second sport bike to really get your feet wet with sport bikes, guys. I want to take everything with a grain of salt. I might miss some stuff just because there are a number of things. Some scuffs all along there. The taillights looks pretty good. The seat is, I don't see any rips in the seat. The top of the tank, if you can see, it's got the scratches there, and all along there, and all around the gas cap there. Is that like a race cap? Yeah, it's like a racing gas cap. Okay, this side of the plastics is gone. Some wires are exposed there. This was a bike we got from a mechanic, like a tech school auction. It's just basically been, I think they did like oil changes on them and tires and stuff like that. It's got a little slit in the tire there. I don't know. That's just surface. Yeah, so they run great. It's just cosmetically they didn't necessarily go out and buy the most perfect cosmetic bikes. We actually didn't really know the kind of shape it was in when we bought it. So we're just trying to sell it basically for as cheap as we can. Scuff scrapes on the plastics there. But this is a great bike. If you know you're going to be dropping bikes, which everybody who buys their first bike drops their first bike, usually. I shouldn't say everybody. Then just get something like this, who cares? Got some scuffs along the back fender there. It's the same thing on this. It's missing this plastic piece. Now, if you want to, put the plastic piece on it, make it look good. If you want to put new plastics on it and put a new tank on it, make it look awesome, then do that. I mean, you can do that as well. A couple $100 makes your bike look brand new. There are 7,753 miles on it. And here, you can see like what I said. It just fires up right away. And it runs really good, guys. That's not the point. The point isn't the cosmetics. The point is that mechanically it's a great bike. Like I said, right around 7,700 miles. It's a great running bike, guys. 2009 Kawasaki Ninja 650. This bike is for sale. Check out the test drive on this bike. Also check out Srkcycles and Bikes and Beards. Also check us out on Instagram at Srkcycles, as well as check out the website. I don't have any other 650 Ninjas in at the moment, but we do get stuff like this in all the time. Like I said, this one's going to be crazy cheap, so make sure to keep an eye out.